welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Marina and we recently just moved and I'm excited to finally show you my kitchen organization. So if you saw my house tour, then you know we have a small kitchen and very limited space. So I had to get very creative and a lot of Pinteresting, and without any further ado, let's get started. Okay, so starting off with this cabinet. So starting up top, I have my apple peeler and this pitcher. We just use this one whenever we have guests over. We can make some lemonade. We have another pitcher, a strainer, and some serving dishes. You can find those at Costco. Here we have some coffee mugs, glasses, and this area is just for my daughter. We have some bowls, plates, cups. This is for her lunch, and we got this little cup from Denny's. Down here we have all our dishes and a cutting board, and I have one more down here, and this is my tortilla pan. I have no idea where to put these, so I just put those there for now. And of course the two jars, there's flour and brown sugar. Mrs. Meyer soaps here. And then our first drawer, we just have some knives, some strainers, and our measuring cups. And in this drawer, we have our silverware, measuring spoons, can opener, and some other stuff. In this one, I have all my cookie cutters. Basically, anything baking related is in here. And I thought it would look nicer in these two baskets. And in this one is all my Ziploc bags. Right below that one is my foil, parchment paper, and my Tupperware. I'm missing a lot because my husband actually takes them to work and never brings them back. Did you hear that? And in this drawer I have all the extras. I have a little blender there and a zoo cup. We got this one at Universal Studios, and then the blender parts. At the top, I just have some baking bowls and some milk jugs. And these two bins I got at Dollar Tree. And I have snacks in this one. And this one is all my baking. And some of my baking spices. These four are also from Dollar Tree. And in this bin, I have everything that I will be using for dinners. This one has all my pasta and rice, beans. Okay. And in this bin, I have tea and hot cocoa, and also some syrups you would put in coffee or hot chocolate. And right next to that one, I have some breadcrumbs, Nesquik, and what is oatmeal. And underneath the cabinet, I have my coffee station, cake stand, and this pumpkin spice tin. And down here I have all my pots and baking supplies, and I got this little organizer at Target. So I had nowhere to put my toaster oven, so I got this stand at Target, and underneath I just have my crock pot, blender, and Churros dog food. And here is our little pantry. Up above I have our cereal. And in this Lazy Susan, I have all our condiments and sauces. And I actually got this one from Target. And the bin right below, I have all our tortillas and bread. And then I got this one at Walmart, and I just have all our cans. And on our stove, I have our utensils, salt, pepper, some recipes, and Churros treats. And right next to that, I have some spices, and I got this at Walmart, and I got this idea from Pinterest. And above the oven, I have all our extra stuff. Like I have a lot of sugar, flour, hot cocoa, extra syrup, ketchup, tea, anything extra I have up here. And that was all for my kitchen organization. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you did. Thank you. Bye.